Molweni. Having looked in the previous videos for one person and then for more than one, now we are going to look for one object. Ukufuna into. Into is something. And as I say, we are looking at typical phrases used in the context of looking for something. So here we are looking for a book. Sifuna incwadi. And I want you to take note of the use of it as the object. Where is it? And it, the object, which has in this case been seen. We will use the two its quite frequently during the course of this video. So possible questions, imibuzo once more. Where is it, namely my book? EP, where is it? EP incwadi yam. And we use that I because of the I at the beginning of incwadi. EP incwadi. Is my book here? Incwadi yam ikhona. Is it here? Now here we have a reference to the object. Have you seen it? Uyibonile incwadi yam. So EP, where is it? The subject. Uyibonile, have you seen it? Incwadi yam. Some possible impendulo responses. No, I don't know about it. Andi yazi. Andi yazi, but we drop the I. Andi yazi. No, it is not here. So it, the positive it was I, and the negative it is not. Remember, all negatives begin with A, is ayi. Ayiko. Ayiko. I have not seen it. There's the reference to the object. Andi, I not ye it. Bonanga, have seen. Andi yi bonanga. Temba took it or has taken it. Utemba, uyi tatile. So tata is to take, tatile to have taken. It was taken by Temba. Itatwe ngutemba. It was taken by Temba. Itatwe, more about this later, ngutemba, by Temba. Some more responses. Impendulo, where the incwadi can be the book. It is at home. Isekaya. It is in the car. Isemotweni. And we ask the question, if it is here, then where is it? Ukuba ikona. Ukuba, if ikona, it is here. EP, where is it? First of all, then the response that it is in fact here. Ewe ikona. I have seen it. Ewe ndi yi bonile. I it have seen. Ndi yi bonile. It is in my office. I se officini yam. It is in the classroom. I se classini. And bit of a mistake I have to correct here. We then see the book, Sibona incwadi, and here it is close by, Nansi. The person was Nanku, the people were Naba, and the book is Nansi. A little further away, Nanso. And there it is some distance away, Nansia. Nansi, here it is. Nanso, there it is. Nansia, there it is, a little bit further away. And looking at the vocabulary, okay, just the use of the word bona, to see, yi bonile, have seen it. So for example, you would say ndiyibonile. And have not seen it. Remember, all negatives begin with a, so andiyibonanga, I have not seen it. Somebody has taken it. Let's say uThemba uyithathile. And it was taken, full stop, ithathiwe, full stop, and ithathwe nguThemba, it was taken by Themba. So these are just some examples of the past tense, which we will delve into a little bit further as we go along. But just some examples in the meanwhile. Enkosi kakhulu.